And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legend. I wanted to do a shimmy like this, but I don't know. Maybe I'm not the best person to do that. Dude, I've been playing so much football these past few days, dude, and I'm very, very happy. Like, I'm so happy with myself. Like, you cannot, like, I've called my friend and I've told her that, bro, मैं आजकल 3 गेम खेल रहा हूँ हफ्ते का एंड देन लाइक आई हैव कॉल्ड बैक एंड टोल्ड आज ब्रो दो बार खेल रहा हूँ मैं लाइक ऑन लास्ट सैटरडे आई थिंक आई प्लेड ट्वाइस you know how cool you have to be to play 2 games of football. You know how many friends you have to have. Like, you know, one of the worst things about finding, like, I don't know how many people play football, but the biggest issue is finding people to play with. Like, it's tough to look for people. Like, you have to hunt them down and then you have to ask them to put yourself in their group, and then like they'll take a decision, acha khelta hai ki nahi, and then they'll call you, maybe there's no place, and like all of that fiasco. And now I'm playing like twice. Like, I had to say no for a plan today. You know how cool you have to be to say no for a plan. Like, see, there is one type of people who just don't want to get out, right? And those that's a separate like thing altogether. Wait 1 second, my decibel level might be too high. No, actually it is fine. Yeah, okay, I'll explain what I was doing later. But point being, yeah, there's one type of people that just don't want to get out, right? Like, they'll get out once in like a month or something like that, or just don't want to get out. You know, those kind of people who don't have a life. Jokes. But yeah, and then there's people who want to go out all the time, and then like they have to say no because they have too much going on. You know how cool you have to be. Like, all my life I used to wonder, like, bhencho log ko milte kahan se? Like, where do people find so many people to hang out with? Like, I want to know, like, you know how cool you have to be to have so many people to hang out with. But yeah, coming back to the football thing, I played like 2 games in a week and all. I was too happy today. I had to say no for a plan and all. But I realized one thing: make fun of me if you want, call me an idiot, call me like dramatic, whatever. One of the key parts of adulting, being a grown adult as opposed to not, I mean, an ungrown adult, whatever. A key part of being an adult is stretching before doing cardio. It's stretching before doing any physical activity. That is the one thing you realize when you grow up, that okay, this is not how it works. Like, you have to stretch. Because I ran the other day without, like, I was playing one I like reached like late for football and I immediately started playing, and my entire shin was paining. It was like someone was stabbing me in the fucking foot. Like, it was actually like someone was stabbing me in the foot with a knife. It was that bad. Like, I could feel my shin be like if my shin could talk, if the muscles around my shin, I don't know what they're called, but if they could talk, they would be like, bro, we can't do this. Like they'd look up at me like, hey buddy, are we seriously doing this? Like, we're gonna go ahead with this? Like you don't think this is a problem? Me being in severe pain, me thinking that I'm going to die. It's not, I mean, I don't know. I just performed a hypothetical and metaphorical and imaginary conversation with my shin muscle, which I don't know what it's called. Bro, I know this is the femur bone. Like, on your thigh is the femur bone, right? This is your shin bone. आजू बाजू के मसल का पता नहीं मुझे. कभी इंजर नहीं हुआ ना मैं ऐसा. But I keep breaking my toes, man, for some reason. Right now, my middle toe, I don't know what. Okay, all your feet fingers are called toes, right? So what is it? A middle toe, index toe, like your thumb, whatever. Your main toe, I don't know what it's called. Alpha toe. But yeah, I played football. All that stuff was happening. I'm having a great time. My college has just begun, and so apparently, each teacher gets like, you have to each teacher teaches 45 hours per semester. Okay, so that's 45 hours of lectures and 3 hours a week, right? So 15 weeks, whatever. So my mom was complaining about the fees being too high, and she was like, they're not even reducing the fees and all, which is like fair, right? And I was also kind of pissed, but fortunately I don't have to worry about it. Like, it's not like I'm fucking super loaded, but fees ho jata hai matlab. So we are talking, and a lot. This is my first week. Okay, this, like, last week was my first week, and the entire week, like, we had at least 4 classes like 4 teachers canned on classes. Okay, so that's like about 8 hours at least of class. And my mom was like, so you get, I think each teacher gets paid 1200 rupees per hour. Okay, so she was like yelling, like when I told her class was cancelled, she came, like she rammed into the room at 1:30 in the afternoon. I was taking a nap. She started yelling at me like, you're not attending your classes, you're sleeping all the time, this that. I was like, bro, the class got cancelled. She's like, what kind of people are they, bro? Take per teacher take 3,000 rupees back. I was like, what? She's like, every class they cancel, you're going to take that money back from them. I was like, sure. Go up against the most right wing organization college on planet Earth and see what happens to you. Dude, you cannot. There are some colleges you cannot battle against. Like, I think like back in the day, by back in the day, I mean like 40s, no, 1800. Dude, colleges and universities and academia has, like, the world of academia has been the forefront, like at the forefront of thinkers. Like, thinkers have been in those universities and colleges, like all the way from Tagore, even before that, dude. Like all your 1800s or day. Fuck, I forgot the guy who, a very key philosopher, not Socrates time, like a little after that, like in the 1800s ish. Yeah, but Socrates, Plato, all these guys were like from the world of academia only. These guys, these thinkers. And now look at us. Like Jawaharlal Nehru was a big. I forgot which university he went to in Calcutta, and then he went to London to study. I forgot which university in London he went to study. Gandhi was from a college. Obviously, all of these guys were from colleges. Doesn't mean much, but the colleges they went to, like not Gandhi, at least Nehru, all your Oxford universities, all these places are where like legends as we know them have gone to. Our current leaders, like I don't know how much you're like Nirmala Sitharaman. I don't have many opinions on her, but she went to JNU. So top level people, good or bad, I don't know. Your opinion of them might be whatever, but learned individuals have come out of these, like change makers have come out of these universities, and now we are in universities that like, now it's like we are lucky to be in a university. Like we as students are lucky to be a part of these organizations, which might be true. Like, right, I'm very lucky to be a part of this. Like in my personal life, if you consider, I'm very lucky, right, like life wise. But if you consider it like from a big, like at a larger scale, you're just paying, like, and you got in because of your merit. You're paying them a hell lot of money, at least like colleges like mine, and you are like doing a lot in work and all that shit. Like, so there is very little the college is entirely responsible for. I might be wrong. Like there might be a devil's advocate perspective to this, which if anybody has can always like message me. But point being, yeah, dude, is what it is. Like even with terms of like friends or anything you make there, like the idea that, okay, the reason Harvard is such a big deal is because you don't only go into Harvard, you get into Harvard because you got in and you were very good. Like you didn't get into Harvard because, like, you're not good because you went to Harvard, you're good because you got into Harvard. There's only a finite amount of things they can teach you, right? Like it's not like Harvard knows stuff that like New York University doesn't. Like a psych department will always know stuff, right? Like at the forefront of psych, basically. But point being, yeah, even like you meet like-minded people, you meet like elite level people, like hard work, ideas, all that stuff wise, at top level universities. That's why it's very important. But fuck, talking about like-mindedness, I had to tell you all this story. I was out with some friends last week, and by friends I mean one friend who invited me to her friend group and all, and we are hanging out, and everybody was talking about that type, like what's your type, like Pulkit tera type kya hai, and Pulkit will be like, oh, I like a pretty girl with curly hair, whatever. So these conversations are going on, and I've realized my sense of humor might not be for everybody. Like I'm coming to that realization that I need to shut my mouth every now and then. Maybe, just maybe, I need to rethink what I say. before I say it in public. I was with a bunch of people that I didn't really know well, and maybe like I knew of them, whatever, right? And everybody was asking like, what's your type, and like we were playing that game where you ask each other, questions about each other and all. And everybody was saying like, some girl was like, I like a tall, I don't like lanky guys. I don't like, someone was like, I don't like super tall guys. Someone was like, I don't like super this thing and that thing, whatever, right? Everyone's giving their type. Someone was like, I like someone who's into politics, blah blah blah. And it came to me, and I planned this, like the level of attention seeking in me and the level of approval seeking in me is beyond what like human beings should have. I planned this answer in my head. So keep in mind, like I was the second last or the third last person in the circle, okay? Keep in mind that I've had at least 15 minutes to not do this, to rethink my answer. And the it's my turn, and the person asked me, oh, Karan, so what's your type? And one girl was like, dude, Karan seems like he's into like super smart girls because he's stupid. Like he claims he's stupid and this and that. And everyone laughed a little bit. She roasted me a little bit. Blah 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 blah. And they're like, yeah, tell us your type. I was like, on weekends I prefer humans. Weekdays you never know. That's exactly what I said. I said weekends. Yeah, I said weekends I prefer humans. Weekdays you never really know. And the entire room was filled with silence. This is the face people made. Like this, I'm sorry if you're listening. This is the people, like people have made this face. This is exactly how they looked at me. Like as if really? Really, bro? Like, are you serious? What in God's name made you think that was funny? Like, what went through your brain that you thought this was funny? And I was just like, it's a joke, guys. It's a joke, guys. One degenerate in the back of the room started laughing. He was going out to get water or something. And one degenerate in the room, like me, he laughed. He laughed his ass off while walking out. So I had that approval, and he was like behind me. Like he was walking out of the room and I was facing everybody. And I heard him laugh, and immediately I turned to him like so that I can make eye contact with him and feel like, okay, at least I'm not all that bad. But by the time he'd gone out, and someone had to break the silence and be like, okay, so Neha, like for the sake of like whatever, like I'm not gonna give her name. Someone was like, so Neha, what's your type? And the conversation moved on. I really think that if I would have like for any more seconds, if I would have like let the silence be, someone would have been like actually said it out loud, like, Karan, why did you think that was funny? It was like too bad, bro. And I realized I have to start like keeping these jokes to myself, dude. I can keep them for the podcast. I'm not joking. Like I can keep them for the podcast. But on that note, I'm gonna see you guys next time. If I've been I've been looking to my left. If anybody is watching, you'll know what I'm doing. If you're listening, you won't know what I'm doing. I've been looking to my left and seeing. So I record on Audacity. I record the audio on that. I don't know if it's like too loud. Tell me if the audio is too messed up. But I check for like how much time I record and all. If you would like more, like if you would like me to go on till like 18-20 minutes as I used to earlier, then tell me. And if you'd like me to shorten it, I don't think that I can have a proper conversation because I can't really explain myself then. But if you'd like it between like 10 to 12 minutes, tell me. If you'd like it for more than 15 minutes, tell me. Like I want to know, like I want to get a perspective because I have stories, so I have unlimited. But I just need to know like what the people want. I'd love to do whatever I want, but that's not how the world works. And I want to ensure that you guys are actually entertained. How many 30, 40 of y'all listen to this. Whoever's listening should have fun. You know what I mean. But I'll see you next time. Thank you if you've made it this far. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate you being here. See you next time.